It was getting kind of hard to tell what channel you're on. The LEDs would burn out on this old unit here. It's red readout. So what you have to do is tear the radio apart, take the cases off, take the front face off, and then 2 side screws to pop this face out, and then there's 2 screws that these 2 screws here hold that in place. And it'll pop right out of there. Those 2 screws, and it pops out. Yeah. This piece just pops back in. It's got little clips on it. And it pops back in there. I guess the green one would be nice. So all you have to do is desolder all these along the top here, and then flip it over and desolder the other side. Pop this out, put the new one in, solder it in, and you're done. But you have to tear the whole radio apart to do that. So now we got these nitro knobs to go in there, and green meter light. So that's about it. Pretty straightforward. I think they're about $8, $7 or $8 for a new unit there. These nitro knobs are pretty expensive. And this is a Cobra 148, but it's pretty much the same thing on a Cobra 29 or 25 or pretty much any other radios. Are all pretty much similar. Galaxies, Uniden, Cobra. Alright, tubers. Peace.